Welcome to another new video tutorial. Today I will show you how to do it very easily. Convert a normal photo to an HDI photo. Next I use auto adjustment. Click this tool once, lowering the opacity again. I will merge again. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. I will take a flattened image once more. Click once on the Smart Sharpness tool to increase the sharpness of the image. And merge it again. I am using this shine tool to enhance image shine. I will merge again. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. You can check out more videos on photo adjustments on our channel. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.